Metals and non-metals. Learning about corrosion. Corrosion. The process of slow eating away of metal due to attack of air, water, etc. on the surface of the metal is called corrosion. Silver articles become black after some time when exposed to air. This is because it reacts with sulfur in the air to form a coating of silver sulfide. Copper reacts with moist carbon dioxide in the air and slowly loses its shiny brown surface and gains a green coat. This green substance is copper carbonate. Iron, when exposed to moist air for a long time, acquires a coating of a brown flaky substance called rust. Conditions required for rusting off an iron. Activity: take 3 test tubes and place clean iron nails in each one of them. Label these test tubes as A, B and C. Pour some water in the test tube A and cork it. Pour boiled distilled water in test tube B and add about 1 ml of oil and cork it. Put some anhydrous calcium chloride in test tube C and cork it. Leave it for a few days and then observe. We will observe that iron nails rust in test tube A. In the test tube A, the nails are exposed to both air and water. The oil will float on water and prevent the air from dissolving in water. Nails in test tube B does not rust. In the test tube B, the nail is exposed to only water. Anhydrous calcium chloride will absorb the moisture, if any, from the air. Nails in test tube C also does not rust. In the test tube C, the nail is exposed to dry air. Prevention of corrosion. The rusting of iron can be prevented by painting, oiling, greasing, galvanizing, chrome plating, anodizing, or making alloys. Galvanization is a method of protecting steel and iron from rusting by coating them with a thin layer of zinc. Alloying is a very good method of improving the properties of a metal. We can get the desired properties by this method. For example, iron is the most widely used metal, but it is never used in its pure state. This is because pure iron is very soft and stretches easily when hot. But if it is mixed with a small amount of carbon, about 0.05%, it becomes hard and strong. When iron nail is mixed with nickel and chromium, we get stainless steel, which is hard and does not rust. Information: pure gold, known as 24-karat gold, is very soft. It is, therefore, not suitable for making jewelry. It is alloyed with either silver or copper to make it hard. Generally in India, 22-karat gold is used for making ornaments. It means that 22 parts of pure gold is alloyed with 2 parts of either copper or silver. More to know. The wonder of ancient Indian metallurgy. The iron pillar near the Qutub Minar in Delhi was made about 400 BC by the iron workers of India. They had developed a process which prevented wrought iron from rusting. Coated with thin film of magnetic oxide, Fe3O4, the iron pillar is 8 meters high and weighs 6 tons, 6,000 kg. Summary: elements can be classified as metals and non-metals. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more metals, or a metal and a non-metal. The surface of some metals, such as iron, is corroded when they are exposed to moist air for a long period of time. This phenomenon is known as corrosion. Non-metals have properties opposite to that of the metals. They are neither malleable nor ductile. Non-metals form negatively charged ions by gaining electrons when reacting with metals. Non-metals form oxides which are either acidic or neutral. That is all in this chapter, students. Keep learning!